If you're ready to delete your ClickUp account, maybe you're switching to another productivity tool, or just need a fresh start, this is the only guide you'll need. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to safely and permanently remove your account from ClickUp, step by step, with no confusion. I'll make sure you understand each part of the process and what it means, so you can move forward with confidence. Let's get started. First, open up your ClickUp dashboard and head straight to the top right corner where your account profile is located. You'll notice your avatar or initials up there. That's your gateway to all your settings. Go ahead and click on your profile. This is basically like unlocking the door to all the behind-the-scenes features of your account. If you've ever adjusted your notification preferences or checked your billing info, you'll know this spot well. Once you've clicked your profile icon, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From here, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you into your personal account settings. Think of this panel as the control center for everything connected to your profile. It's always good to familiarize yourself with these settings because this is where you can manage everything from privacy to integrations. And yes, deleting your account. Inside My Settings, start scrolling down to the very bottom of the page. Sometimes these options can get overlooked because they're tucked away beneath all the other features. If you feel like you're scrolling forever, don't worry. Just keep going until you reach the end. Right there at the bottom, you'll find a button or link labeled Delete Account. It's intentionally placed all the way down here so you don't click it by accident. Before you click Delete, pause for a moment and carefully review what will happen next. Deleting your ClickUp account is permanent and cannot be undone. Once you confirm, there's no going back, so double-check if there's any information you need to save. For example, if you have project notes, files, or important to-do lists, now's the time to download a backup or take screenshots. It's a good habit to always safeguard your critical data before making major changes. When you proceed with deletion, your user data isn't immediately gone. Instead, it's placed in a queue for permanent deletion after 30 days. This little grace period might give you some peace of mind, just in case you change your mind or realize you need something important. But keep in mind, once those 30 days are up, everything, tasks, comments, attachments, will be erased forever. A quick note for anyone using single sign-on to log in. Before you can delete your account, make sure you leave all your assigned workspaces. This step is essential. If you're part of a team workspace, you want to avoid any hiccups or issues for your organization when your access disappears. Leaving workspaces ensures a clean break and respects any shared data or ongoing projects. All right, once you're sure and ready, click the Delete Account button and then confirm your choice when prompted. This is the final step, so take a deep breath and proceed. If you see any extra confirmation pop-ups, it's just ClickUp making sure this is really what you want. And that's it. Your ClickUp account deletion is underway. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ran into any issues during your deletion process. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and take care.